Configuring Xray in Jira involves setting up the test management tool to align with your project's requirements. Here's how to configure Xray in Jira. Install Xray add-on. If Xray is not already installed, an administrator needs to install it from the Atlassian Marketplace. Navigate to Jira Administration, Manage Apps, find New Apps, then search for Xray and install it. Configure global settings. Access the Xray global settings by navigating to Jira Administration, Add-ons, Xray. Here, you can set general configurations such as default issue types for test cases, test plans, test executions, and test sets. Configure permission schemes to control who can create, view, and execute tests. Set up custom fields. Xray adds custom fields for tracking test results and other relevant data. Go to Jira Administration, Issues, Custom Fields, and ensure fields like test type, preconditions, and test execution status are added and configured. Create test environments. Define different test environments under Xray environments. These environments allow you to categorize test executions based on different setups. Define workflows. Customize workflows for Xray issue types. This can involve setting up statuses, transitions, and conditions specific to testing processes. Set up requirement coverage. Link Xray with Jira issues like stories, bugs, or requirements to track test coverage. Ensure proper linking between these issues and corresponding test cases for traceability. Configure test plan board. Xray provides a test plan board for planning and tracking test executions. Configure the board under Xray Test Plan Board by adding columns and setting filters to visualize the status of test plans. Adjust project settings. Go to each project settings in Jira and configure Xray options specific to that project, such as enabling or disabling specific issue types and adjusting default configurations.